Rain threat continues to move slowly up near Orlando, points north of that, with this heavy band coming in here, getting ready to get north of Orlando to produce, kind of persistent rain here. We've got some training going on, meaning it's raining hard, and these area of rains continue to push across the same area for multiple hours. Osceola County radar and gauge indicated flash flooding, and we're going to see that flash flooding continue to spread north. So the flood watch is in place, so the potential exists for flooding. When you get the warnings like we're seeing around Orlando, that means that flooding imminent or is occurring. Some of those flood warnings have a considerable tag. That means there's a considerable threat for flash flooding. If it's not occurring, it will be. And that flood watch does include places like Brunswick and just inland, Savannah and just inland, and points north, just north of Charleston, where this would be from most likely combined rain coming down and some of that surge coming in right along the coast. So here's what we're thinking, and the guidance is showing us as we go through this morning and this afternoon by the evening hours. Still continuing to see the western edge here of Ian scrape the coast north of Daytona Beach and up near Jacksonville. But at that point, the winds are becoming more northerly, so the surge threat will lessen, and the rain still to come here with Ian. Maybe another 5 to 8 inches of rain in that heavier band we saw here north of Orlando. That may be a little bit over here in this direction too. The bottom line is the rain threat is moving off toward the north and northeast, and eventually off out over the ocean, and then maybe back in as we go through the coming days into parts of the southeast Georgia, possibly into the Carolinas as far west of the mountains, Todd, and maybe even on into parts of Virginia.